Section A of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kapasheria, East Medinipur, West Bengal. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Hale and hearty, is not it? Physically strong, mentally strong. Okay. Now, my dear students, today I will teach you how to change from direct speech to indirect speech and vice versa. That is from indirect to direct. Okay. Now, my dear students, if I write, he said, I am ill. He said, I am ill. This is reporting verb, he said, and within the inverted commas, reported speech. So if we get, if there is one reporting verb and one reported speech, then the sentence is said to be direct speech. So in the direct speech, what will you get? You will get one reporting verb and one reported speech. The verb that report is called reporting verb, and the portion within the inverted commas is called reported speech. What is reported speech, everybody? The portion within the inverted commas. So when you are changing from direct to indirect speech, then this inverted commas will not be there. When the answer will add, there will be full stop. Okay. So now, my dear students, in narration, we come across 5 kinds of sentences. 5 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences?
5 kinds of sentences.
First is assertive sentence. What is that?
Assertive.
Assertive sentence is a statement of fact. What is it? Statement of fact. And for example, the earth moves on the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. These are all facts. Why these are facts? Because these statements have been admitted or acknowledged by the global population, by the people living in all the corners of the world. Okay? So these are all facts. So, assertive sentence is a statement of fact. Example, everybody, the earth moves on the sun rises in the east, etc. Now, assertive sentence has been divided into 2 groups. One is affirmative sentence and the other is negative sentence. An affirmative sentence has a positive meaning. On the other hand, a negative sentence has a negative meaning. There are 4 pure negatives in English. No, not, never, none. What are these, everybody?
No, never.
There are some semi-negatives in English also. Hardly, scarcely, seldom, rarely, barely. These are semi-negatives in English. Okay? Now, my dear students, so first kind is assertive sentence, next is imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence expresses advice, order,
and
request, command, etc. Okay. So when the word advice is used as noun, then the spelling is ADVIC, and when it is used as verb, the spelling is ADVIS. So this is the easiest way to remember. If any word ends with C, then it is noun. If any word ends with SC, then it is verb. Okay. ADVIC is noun, ADVIS is verb. PRSCTIC is noun, TIC noun, PRSCTIC is verb. DVIC is noun, DVIC is verb. So the words ending with C, these are noun. These are what? Noun. Everybody. Next, the words ending with SC are verb. Okay. So if any sentence, if you get advice in a sentence, or request, order, or command, then if any sentence expresses what? Imperative sentence expresses advice, request, order, or command. Now, if I write, say, do not go near the river. Do not go near the river. This is what? Advice. This is what? Advice. One person is giving advice to another person. Not to go near the river. Okay? Or do not go near the well. Do not go near the river. Understood? Or don't go near the river. Advice. Now, order. Say if somebody writes, stand up on the bench. One teacher orders the student to stand up on the bench. Okay? This order. Then, request. Please give me a glass of water. Request. Okay? Or please give me one book. Please give me one pen. Request. Is that it? Command. March forward. The army officer commanded his soldiers to march forward. So, imperative expresses what? Advice, order, request, command, etc. Okay? This is second kind. Third kind is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means asking questions. Where the sentence ends, there will be one question mark. This is what we call question mark or sign of interrogation. Okay, question mark, other name is sign of interrogation. So where the sentence ends, there will be one question mark. What is your name? What's the time by your watch, etc. Okay. Now next kind is exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feeling of joy or sorrow. What a nice thing it is! What a beautiful flower it is! Exclamation mark. Where the sentence ends, there will be one exclamation mark or note of exclamation. Okay? The other name of exclamation mark is note of exclamation. And finally, operative sentence. And operative sentence expresses wish or pray. May you be happy. May God bless you. May you live long. Okay? So, it expresses wish or prayer and sentence will be operative sentence. How many kinds of sentences are there? In narration, there will be 5 kinds of sentences. Okay? Now, I told you in narration, you will get one reporting verb and one reporter speech. The verb that report is called reporting verb and the portion within the inverted comma is called reporter speech. So when you are changing from direct speech to indirect speech, then we make certain changes in narration. Okay? Stand up please. Captain. Yes. Stand up. Yes. Say direct speech here is what? Here. Here. Indirect speech is there. Sit down. What will be? Captain? Here will be changed to there. So we will make certain changes. Now, this, THIS, this will be changed to that. This will be changed to everybody? That. These, THIS, these will be changed to those. These will be changed to those. And here will be changed to there. Okay. Now it's changed to that. Now it's changed to that. Come is changed to go, but not always. Come is changed to go, but not always. Next. Yesterday is changed to the previous day. Yesterday changed to everybody? The previous day or the day before. Tomorrow is changed to the next day or the following day. Tomorrow is changed to everybody? The next day or the following day. Speak with me. Next. Last week is changed to the previous week. Last week changed to last month, the previous month. Last year, the previous year. Okay. Hence is changed to dance. Hence is changed to dance. Now hither. Hither is changed to hither. Hither is changed to hitherto is changed to hitherto. Hitherto. Hitherto is changed to hitherto. Now hitherto meaning is what? Hitherto meaning is still now. Hitherto meaning is
Still now.
Hitherto means still then. Hitherto meaning is
Still then.
okay. So these are the certain changes. If in direct speech you get must, then indirect speech will be had to. Must is changed to had to. Okay? Up to this clear, everybody? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay. Now listen, students. Mathematically, we can write. This is the first rule I am teaching, rule 1 of narration. These rules were made by me only. I prepared these rules from my experience. Mathematically, we can write future tense oblique present tense plus present tense slash past tense is equal to no change. This is reporting part, this is reported speech, this is narration. So this is rule number 1. Okay. Future tense slash present tense plus present tense slash past tense is equal to no change. Rule number 1. That means what? If the reporting part is in the future tense. Which tense, everybody? Reporting part is in the future tense. And reported speech is the present tense. There no change is necessary. And sub rule number 2. If the reporting part is in present tense, reported speech is the past tense, then no change is necessary. Okay. Example. You will say, I am ill. This is reporting part. No, the verb that report is called reporting part. And the portion within the important part is called what? Reported speech. So we are changing from direct to indirect speech. I am ill is a assertive sentence. So connective. You should know that what are the connective used in narration. Connective or conjunction. Connective is what? Connective, the word that joins two parts of a sentence is called connective or conjunction. In case of assertive sentence, the connective is that. In case of imperative sentence, connective is to, but to is followed by the base form, the verb. To plus base form. To go, to see, to play, etc. Okay. In case of interrogative sentence, connective is e for whether. In case of exclamative sentence, connective is that. In case of operative sentence, also connective is that. So this I am in this assertive sentence. So connective joining word will be that. Reporting verb will not change. You will say will remain same. And here we will say this verb in which tense? Future tense. With future? Simple future. With future. Third bell, stand up. Stand up, remain standing. Remain standing. So we will say which tense?
We will say past future tense.
With future?
Huh?
With future. Sit down. Look there. Look at the blackboard. What is your name?
Sumati.
Listen to me with rapt attention. Okay. You will say, I am ill. Here, reported speech. Am is which tense? Present tense. Okay. You see, auxiliaries are two kinds: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary is also three: be, have, and do. If I draw the chart of B, it will be like this: am, is, was, are, were, been. Singular number, plural number, past participle, present tense, past tense, present tense, past tense. Okay. Am and is, these are used in case of singular number present tense, was in case of singular number past tense, were in case of plural number present tense, and are in case of plural number present tense, and were in case of plural number past tense. Look at the blackboard and tell me. Am and is in case of everybody? What have you done here? Present tense singular number. Was past tense singular number. Are present tense plural number. Were past tense plural number. And been is the past participle form of all those be verb. The whole thing is known as family of be verb. Okay. So you will say this here the past tense of am. Here I will be changing to, you will say that I will change to you. That after you will we cannot change the tense. So So U is followed by R, you are in. Okay, everyone understood? Future tense oblique present tense plus present tense oblique past tense is equal to no change. Either reporting part in the future tense and reporters in the present tense, and no change is necessary. Either reporting part in the present tense and reporters in the past tense, and no change is necessary. Okay. This is another example I'm giving here. He has said I went. This is reporting part. This is reported speech. Okay. Sentence is direct speech. So I went. This is adverb. So the correct will be what? Correct will be that. Reporting part will remain the same. He has said that I will be changed to he, and it will remain same as per rule. That is present tense plus past tense equal to no change.
That's complete.
Okay? Clear everybody? Okay. Any doubt, any confusion?
No, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,